Hi, everybody. It's Annette Joseph. We looked at a property in Forte dei Marmi today, and so I wanted to kind of check and see how much just a regular house in the middle of Forte dei Marmi costs compared to what we looked at today, which was a property for 2.4 million euros. So make sure you stay till the end, and I'll show you the one that I really, really like. Okay, so I've got a Forte dei Marmi broker here. I don't really like Idealista. They don't have the best houses. So, okay, so here's the house. Oh, this is quite pretty.
You can't move your laptop screen while you're recording.
Oh, I see. Well, I'm doing this for the first time, so bear with me. I have my crew walking me through it because I'm not very good with technology. Just ask my son, the data scientist. So this is very cute. I don't think it's very big though. There's 4 bedrooms in this. How big can they be? 3 bathrooms? Okay. Well, let's take a look-see now. It's actually, the location is amazing. I mean, this is 2.1 million. Where's Frank? I should buy this one. Okay, let's take a look. This is nicely renovated, beautifully furnished. I like all the furniture. It's not my style, but it's very white. But you literally can walk right to the seaside. It's like a block in. Wow. I wonder if it comes furnished. It has 27 pictures, so it's going to take me a minute. They actually staged this for photos, which is so nice. I guess if you are paying millions of dollars for something, they're going to stage it. Because in Italy, they don't like to stage that much. The kitchen is quite cute. Everything looks very small. Like the tiny hallways, tiny bedrooms. So it's 4 tiny bedrooms. I like the Chicago poster. I like this. I think it's quite chic. I don't know about the... Is that a nude painting? Yeah, I think it's a nude. I'm going to give these ratings. I would give this a 7. All right, this is a exclusive villa with a pool in Forte dei Marmi. It's about 3,000 square feet, a little more than that, but... So this has cobblestones and a nice grass in area, a nice pool coping. I like the shape of the pool. It really complements the house. We don't know how much this is though. I'm gonna guess that this, if we're lucky, this is 5 million. 8 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. Oh, this might be even more than that. It is in an incredible location, 2 blocks in from the seaside. It's like right in the middle of Forte dei Marmi. So this thing, I'm sure, costs like an arm and a leg. You have to call them to get the pricing on it. I like the umbrellas. I like that. It sort of looks like there's an indoor cabana situation. Yeah, it is. I can see it. That is shaded when it's really, really, really hot outside, and you need that. Lots of foliage and lots of shaded areas, which is really nice. Beautiful palm tree. Yeah, here's this cabana area. Oh, this is lovely. Yeah, I dig this. This is great. This is a beautiful house. Wow. And then, of course, underneath the cabana, there's also dining possibilities. I can hardly wait to get inside. There's a grand piano, so we know it's a very big room. I like the tile they've selected. I like that it's all white. I hate this lighting, this up lighting in the soffit. Very 80s, you know, my favorite. Hate it. Kind of cheapo furniture, which is kind of weird to me. Oh, the staircase is quite interesting. I do like that. I do hate these soffits, though, that are underlit. Oof. Wow. Is this the kitchen? This is weird. So it's got this wavy soffit thing going on. Strange table choice. And this microwave on this table from probably a reused shop is very weird. Oh, that's so weird. 2 refrigerators. I like that. Looks like they have some nice appliances. Very nice bedrooms. Very, very, very plain. And very, You know, it's so wild that this is the way they would furnish this, with this very cheap kind of side table and, I don't know, odd blanket and Liberace chandelier. I don't really get it. You know, as with most Italian bedrooms, they're just very, very, very plain. But I guess for a vacation house, this is fine, you know. Oh, fantastic balcony. Wow, off the bedrooms. Yes, please. This is great. Beautiful. This is another view of the kitchen, or is this a different kitchen area? Ooh, this is super confusing. Do they have a floor plan? See, I always think it's weird that they don't have a floor plan. Maybe they do have a floor plan. So this is another kitchen in another area. Is this a separate building? Another part of the house? Where are we? I don't know. Oh, wow. So this looks like it's a guest house. I guess some people like not seeing the kitchen, so they've done this kind of cool curtain situation, which I think is nice. This looks like a very nice guest house. I like that all of the flooring is consistent throughout. The furniture choices are odd, but I don't know, maybe they rent this out, so they don't do a lot of the... Yeah, this looks like a very nice guest house. I'd like to see the bathroom, though. It looks like 3 bedrooms. Nope, that's it. That is it. I like that you click another thing and like nothing comes up. It's like all the same stuff. It's like, why do they, like what? Yeah, but there's no floor plan. Wouldn't you think that with something like this, they would do a floor plan though, so you would know? I mean, I'd love to know the pricing on this. Price on application. What do they get your bank details and then they tell you the price? I crack myself up. Okay, let's look at something else. Which one interested me? Really? Just a package. Everybody hold tight. It better be exciting. It better not be something personal. Oh, it's for the vacuum. Okay, great. I needed those. All right. I could sit and do this all afternoon, actually. This is fun. Okay, so this is a villa close to the center. Very good position. I'll be the judge of that. No, it's in a good position. And it is about 2,000 square feet. Good sized garden, not too big. I don't know that I love this house, but it's cute. I mean, it's very cute. It's very carina. Very, very little property. Frank, could you stop walking around? I can hear every step. This is what happens when old people do videos. It's like coughing, walking, sneezing, yelling at the dog. All right, back to this, sorry. Yeah. I mean, it's really cute. Oh, here's the kitchen. Wow, they did a black kitchen. This is such weird decor. Vivi agrees. I mean, seriously, it's bedlam here today. Lace curtains, old-fashioned wooden doors. Not a good modern and traditional juxtaposition here. I give this a big thumbs down. Yeah, I mean, wow. I mean, I guess it's cute. It's quaint. I mean, I love that they put wooden floors upstairs. But what are these floors? They're not real wood floors. I think these are laminate floors, which is actually good for cleanup. I mean, they do have nice lighting, I will say. I will say the lighting's quite nice. And the fireplace is quite nice. Yeah, I mean, I think this is a fun room. I mean, it's funky, but it's fun. I mean, this is kind of a cute, funky cottage, is the way I would look at it. This person has got like it's very Forte dei Marmi, I will say. Very, very Forte. How much was this one? So this is 2.1, not a lot of land, very tiny compared to 2.4 in a quieter area. This is not quiet. Like any of these properties that I've been looking at are not in quiet areas. So It is crazy here in the summertime, and people are just like walking past your house right and left. I like this site now that I know how to operate it. All right, here we go. This is very pretty and very typically Forte dei Marmi. It looks like a gorgeous garden, like stunning garden. Round pool, not my favorite. It's hard to swim laps. You have to go around and around and around. You get dizzy. Frank, you wouldn't want to swim laps in a round pool, right?
No.
Okay. So that was a quick no, so no. But it's cool. I like this property. Okay. Quite nice, modern on the inside. I like the way they staged it with the drop cloths on it. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, they just took pictures of this. The people are gone, and they, the outside stuff is loaded up, just like our house in the wintertime. This is a very pretty house. I think this, for 3.3, if you want to be in the center of town, I think this is great. I like the kitchen. I think it's cool. They have a wine cooler thing, refrigerator. Yeah, I think this is beautifully done. I mean, I think if I had $3 million, I would buy this for $3 million. So you have to understand that Forte dei Marmi is like the Hamptons, right? So it's super expensive. It's very, very chic. Yeah, I love this house. I think this house is great. It looks like the proportions of the rooms are very good. This was a house I would want to see in person. I think it's quite good. I think I like the colors they picked. It's very tidy. It's well kept. Yeah, I would give this one a thumbs up for sure. All right, I'm going to wrap it up, you guys. This was really fun. Let's do this again. I want you guys to, like and subscribe. And please, let me know if you like me going through this stuff. So thanks, and we'll see you next time. Later. Peace.